have to ask you a question. Is this the smallest prayer journal you've seen? Or maybe you've seen smaller. But this is the smallest one I've ever made. And I just took a matchbox and I covered it with some scrapbook paper that I had left over. And I just used regular stick glue, nothing fancy. Trimmed it off at the ends. And then I also saved some of the decorations to cover the ends of the matchbox and put a little label on top to highlight the fact that it was going to be my little prayer box. And you'll see me doing that here. And I would highly recommend, if you are not regularly praying, you start that. It will make a huge difference in your life. But most importantly, praying for others makes a large difference in your life as well as others. You can always pray for other people. Sometimes you may feel like, oh, I just want to do something to help people, but I don't know what to do. Or I'm sick a lot, I can't really get out. You can always pray for others and it has an impact. And I like to write down who I'm praying for. I don't want to just say, oh, hey, I'll pray for you. I mean to do it. So sometimes I have to write that down because you get busy and you forget. So I made these little papers and I stuck them in this little matchbox for a portable prayer journal. And it was a lot of fun to make. If you don't like to write small, this might not be a good fit for you. But it was a lot of fun and you can take it anywhere you go. Throw it in your purse and there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.